So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I'm back today with my one and only Valentine's Day inspired look for this year. And I decided to collab with my girl A.MaRee here on YouTube. It's like a tradition now that we collab together and do a Valentine's Day look like we've been doing one every year for like the past, I don't know, 3 or 4 years, I think. Not too sure, but every year you guys will be seeing a Valentine's Day collab with me and A.MaRee. So we pretty much did the same look, just switched up the colors. I messed up a little bit, but it's cool. For the most part, it came out really cute. So this is the look that I have, and I have the bright red liner going on and all that good stuff. So really super duper cute. So make sure you guys check out A.MaRee's look as well. I will link her channel link down below in the description box, and I will link her video down in the description box also, as well as in the cards. So make sure you guys head over to her channel after you watch my video to check out her video. And if you are new to her channel, make sure you guys let her know that Lindsay sent you. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. Okay, like I said, it's super duper cute. Valentine's Day, red, pink, all that good stuff. So make sure you guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this look at the end of the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you in my next one.